what about Bitcoin? Are you comfortable with that currency, and what do you think the U.S. government should do about it? Should we encourage it, discourage it?
Do you own any? Is that
I actually don't. Okay. I don't own any of it.
I just wanted to check.
No, I own no Bitcoin. I don't even know what it is, really. But though I know I missed the boat on that. But is that something that you're worried about that could replace the dollar as a currency? And
so, I mean, first let me say, we are very focused on cyber currencies, what do you call them? Cryptocurrencies, cyber currencies. We're very focused on this. And actually, at the last FSOC meeting that I chaired, we set up a working group. We're working with all the regulators. So really, the biggest issue, I have two issues with them that we're focused on. One is we want to make sure that bad people cannot use these currencies to do bad things. So in the United States, and people may not realize this, under our laws, if you have a wallet to own Bitcoins, that company has the same obligation as a bank to know your customer. So in the United States, we have rules that for money laundering, for all different types of things, we can track those activities. The rest of the world doesn't have that. So one of the things we will be working very closely with the G20 on is making sure that this doesn't become the Swiss numbered bank accounts. And then we can do that. The other concern I have is there's a lot of speculation in this. And I want to make sure that consumers who are trading this understand the risks because I am concerned that consumers could get hurt.
Or do you worry that, like Russia, it was announced, I don't know if it was a legitimate government report, maybe fake news, I don't know, but that Russia is thinking of it coming up with its own cryptocurrency as a way to get around sanctions. Is that something you're worried about?
Not at all. No, I mean I don't think that's a concern. Okay. I mean there are countries, and again this is something actually I've spoken to the Fed about. So there's cryptocurrencies like a Bitcoin, which effectively it's instead of euros or dollars, you have a different currency. There are central banks that are thinking of, instead of issuing cash, physical cash, issuing a digital currency. So I mean the Fed has contemplated and looked at, and I don't think they have any intention of doing this in the near term, you could issue digital dollars. The Fed and we don't think there's any need for that at this point.
Right.